Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers, especially Miss Lena Rosa MPD as our English teacher.
I am Halizah Safriani Arlas as the first presenter.
I am Baihaqi Ramadan as the second presenter.
Climate change refer to temperature change and weather patterns in the long run. This shifting might be natural, but since the 1800, human activity has become the main driver of climate change, especially with burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas that produces heat-trapping heat. Climate change also causes extreme weather and is difficult to gauge. In one region, it could happen continuous rain accompanied by strong winds and causing floods. Decreased rainfall will cause groundwater quality to also decrease. Change in weather can result in high rainfall in some countries, which can cause flooding. On Wednesday, 28 December 2022, BMKG predict that there will be thunderstorm in Bontang. At the end of this year, it seems that Bontang residents must vigilant due to extreme weather that is happening lately in some areas. Bontang region has the potential for thunderstorm according to estimates by the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency (BMKG). According to BMKG data obtained by this media from the head of the Bontang Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPMD), Zainuddin, the weather for Bontang City on Wednesday is expected to be cloudy with an intensity wind speed of 10 km/h. However, at 20 o'clock, it is predicted that there will from Bontang City on Wednesday is expected to be cloudy with an intensity wind speed of 10 km. The result of heavy rain that occurred since Wednesday, January 18, 2023 down by daytime result in floods in forward in a number of regions in Bontang Kuala. Out of the flood, school is the Madrasah Aliyah Negeri Bontang and the railway road that fire the Bontang area and surrounding with high intensity on Wednesday, 18 January 2030 at 9 o'clock. Then the flood began to be taken at about 1 p.m.
And in the same island also have the same accident of Ciliwung flood June 2022. A number of areas in several areas in Jakarta were flooded due to the volume of water in Jakarta were flooded due to volume of water in Ciliwung River overflowing last Tuesday, June 7. Head of Data Information Center Busdatin for the DKI Jakarta Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPBD), Muhammad Insyaf said that as 9 p.m. 27 areas in Jakarta were flooded. Information inundation from previously there 27 areas or 89% of 30,470 areas in DKI Jakarta, said Insyaf. The water level in 20 areas that were flooded varied. However, the water that overflowed the entire was over 40 centimeters. In detail of 27 areas, 8 areas in South Jakarta, while the other 90 are located in East Jakarta. And the same accident also happened to in the U.S. that hurricane hit California. A massive Pacific storm sent gusty winds, torrential rain, and heavy snow battering California over the past 2 days, knocking out tens of thousands of homes and disturbing roads, thousands with a flash flooding, rock slides, and fallen trees. The storm is followed by two overlapping phenomena: enormous airflows of dense water vapor from the ocean called atmospheric river and low pressure system known as bomb cyclones. The Pacific storms left more than 60,000 people without power in California. A burst of extreme winter weather marks the third and strongest atmospheric river to beat California since early last week, with at least 2 consecutive storm forecasts over the next few days. The San Francisco Bay Area, state capital Sacramento, and surrounding areas are still recovering from severe floods damage, including the collapse of a leaf from Consumers River. Arlas boasts of rain hit. This one of the strongest winter storms to hit our area in years, said Megan McFarland, a spokeswoman for a Pacific Gas and Electric Company, a major utility of Northern and Central California. So that the news to the inform, I'm Baihaqi Ahmad and my partner presented. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum.